All the best to RJ on launching his new OTT. Download Spark OTT starting from May 15th.
Wishing Ramu Garu all the best for his new OTT platform, Spark. Download Spark today. Streaming starts this May 15th.
I'm extremely happy that Ram Gopal Verma is starting his new OTT channel, Spark. Spark starts on May 15th. Download it. Best wishes, Ramu.
Hey guys, Prakash Raj here. And my man, Mr. Ram Gopal Verma. The spark who ignites a lot of things. Starting an OTT platform called the Spark OTT platform. I wish him all the best. Download the app, the Spark OTT, starting this May 15th. All the best, Ramu. Keep igniting sparks.
I wish all the best to my friend Ram Gopal Verma for launching new OTT. Download Spark OTT starting from May 15th to 2021. All the best.
అందరికీ ఒక గుడ్ న్యూస్. ఒక కొత్త ఓటీటీ ఛానల్ రాబోతుంది. దాని పేరు స్పార్క్. మా బాస్ రామ్ గోపాల్ వర్మ గారు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు దీన్ని. మే 15th లాంచ్ కాబోతుంది. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ సార్. ఆల్వేస్ లవ్ యూ.
I'm sure the eyes of all movie lovers will spark with excitement from May 15th and the open app of Spark. All the best, Sagar Garu, in your new venture. God bless you.
Hi, this is MM Cream. Ram Gopal Verma, also famously known as RGV, is starting his own OTT platform, Spark OTT. You may subscribe for this OTT from May 15th onwards. Excited and looking forward. All the best, Ramu Garu.
I wish all the best to Mr. Ram Gopal Verma on launching of Spark OTT, his new OTT platform starting on 15th May. All of you guys just go ahead and download the new OTT platform, Spark OTT. Best wishes, Ram.
Hello everybody! I want to take this opportunity to wish our very own RGV Garu and Sagar all the very best for Spark OTT. I can't wait to see the magic you guys are going to create and how vibrant and wild and deep and dark and disturbing and how you're going to make us really answer certain questions through your films. I know it's not going to be a regular OTT platform and I wish you all the very best.
హాయ్ గైస్, స్వప్న గారు ఇప్పుడే చెప్పారు రామ్ గోపాల్ వర్మ గారు అండ్ సాగర్ గారు కొత్త ఓటీటీ గురించి. ఐడ్ లైక్ టు విష్ దెమ్ ద బెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ లక్. స్పార్క్ ఓటీటీ లాంచింగ్ May 15th.
Hi, this is Ritesh Deshmukh. I would like to wish my best to my dearest Ram Gopal Verma, Ramuji, on starting and launching his new OTT platform, Spark OTT. Download it starting 15th May.
Hello everyone, this is Subbaraju. I wish our beloved director RGV, Ram Gopal Verma Garu, all the very, very best on the launch of his very own OTT platform called Spark OTT, which is launching 15th of this May. I wish and I hope everyone will download it and enjoy it.
Hello everybody, Andarki Namaskaram. Nenu mi Anusuya Bharadwaj. I hope you and your loved ones are keeping safe and strong. I'm here to talk about something very exciting and interesting. All great things happen on the May 15th. For example, my birthday. Also, Spark OTT is going to start streaming from the May 15th, 2021. So I wish RGV Garu and Sagar Garu only the best.
I wish Spark OTT, RGV Garu and Sagar Garu all the very best. Spark OTT is a platform where you can watch films, talk shows, web series in all South Indian languages and Hindi. All the very best once again.
హాయ్ ఎవ్రీబడి, సినిమా పేరులందరికీ మే 15 నుంచి స్పార్క్ ఓటీటీ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. డౌన్లోడ్ స్పార్క్ ఓటీటీ అండ్ ఎంజాయ్ అన్లిమిటెడ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్. విషింగ్ స్పార్క్ ఓటీటీ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్.
I'm Apsara Rani. I want to wish all the best to one of the finest directors of our country and one of the most creative person I have known in my life. Very all the best to Mr. Ram Gopal Verma for launching his new OTT, Spark. Download Spark starting 15th May.
Hi, my name is Ira Moore and I want to wish Mr. Ram Gopal Verma, the legendary director, many congratulations on starting his own OTT called Spark OTT. Please download it starting on May 15th.
Heartiest congratulations to my boss, Don Ram Gopal Verma sir, for launching his new OTT Spark. The Spark OTT can be downloaded from the 15th of May this year. Sir, wishing you the very best with this new venture.
Namaskaram, this is Naina Ganguly and congratulations RGV sir अपनी न्यू OTT प्लेटफॉर्म ओपन करने के लिए एंड 15 मई स्पार्क OTT प्लेटफॉर्म ओपन हो रहा है. सबको मेरी तरफ से ऑल द बेस्ट.
Hi, I'm Sagar Machanuru, CEO of Spark. I would like to thank each and everyone for wishing us all the best, and we will work hard to create next level entertainment for all viewers. Thank you so much once again and love you all.
I want to thank you all so much on behalf of me and Sagar. Words are not enough for me to express my gratitude and love you showed for me and wishing for me and Spark OTT a successful time. I just want to thank you once again so much. Love you.
Hi, this is Isha Chavla.
This is Manara Chopra.
Hi, this is Kartikeya.
నేను డైరెక్టర్ తేజాని.
Press the bell icon for more updates.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDreams.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
And you're watching iDream Media.
Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Do subscribe to iDream. Subscribe to iDream Media.
Do subscribe to iDream Media.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the button below.
Don't forget to subscribe to iDream.